In this video, I will teach you some techniques or tricks for finding profit and loss. Okay, profit and loss problems. Okay, I will show you some tricks for profit and loss problem solving. Okay, in for many banking exams, very aptitude like that. Okay, first of all, how to find the profit. Okay, profit can be found using, like, for example, cost price. Cost price means the price which we bought the product. Okay, for example, if I bought a product for 100 rupees, okay, then I sold it for 120 rupees. Okay, then what is my profit price? 20 rupees. Okay, so the product which I bought, call it as cost price. Okay, the product I sell, then we call it as selling price, and the profit we got it as profit. Okay, then how we can find the profit? Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Okay, it gives us profit. Okay, okay, it gives us profit. Okay, like that. Then how we can find the loss? What is loss means? For example, I bought a product for 100 rupees, I sold it for 80 rupees, then what is my loss? Rupees 20 rupees I lost. Okay, then how we can find the loss? Loss is equals to cost price minus selling price, which gives me a loss. Okay, one trick is, see, for profit, selling price always greater than cost price. Okay, for loss, selling price always less than cost price. Okay, this is trick you should be remind. Okay, for profit, selling price always greater than cost price. For loss, selling price always less than cost price. Okay, now how we can find the profit percentage? Okay, profit percentage. For example, I bought a product for 100 rupees and sold it to 120 rupees, and I got the profit of 20 rupees. Okay, then now we can find the percentage. Okay, profit percentage can be found using profit, how much I got the profit, by cost price means for how much I bought the product into 100. Okay, like this we can find the profit percentage. Let's see, profit percentage is equal to profit, how much I got profit, 20, divided by what is the cost price, 100, into 100. Okay, divided, so profit percentage is 20%. Okay, like this we can find the profit percentage. Okay, profit percentage can be found using profit by cost price into 100, like that. Let's see the finding of loss. Okay, loss percentage, how we can find the loss percentage? Okay, for example, I bought a product for 100 rupees and sold it for 80 rupees, I got loss of 20 rupees. So what is the loss percentage? Okay, loss percentage is equals to loss amount by product amount, means cost price, into 100. Okay, so loss percentage is equals to loss, how much loss, 20, cost price 100, into 100, so loss percentage is 20%. Okay, like this we can find the loss percentage. Okay, loss percentage can be found by loss by cost price into 100. Okay, next one, for example, if they gave you profit, say I have got the profit 20 rupees and my cost price is 100 rupees, and they ask you to find the selling price. Okay, they ask you to find the selling price. Okay, they gave the profit rupees and they gave the the cost of the product. Okay, you need to find the selling price. Okay, for that first we need to find the profit percentage. Okay, profit percentage, how we can find the profit percentage? Profit value divided by cost price, 100 rupees into 100. Okay, now 100, my profit is 20%. Okay, now how we can find the selling price? Selling price is equals to 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into my cost price. Okay, this is a formula to find the selling price. Okay, so to find the selling price is equals to 100 plus, what is my profit percentage? 20 divided by 100 into, what is the cost price given? 100. So 100 cancel, so selling price is 120 rupees. Like this you can find the selling price when they gave the cost price and profit. If they give it in profit percentage, no, so you no need to find the percentage. If they gave in profit in rupees, then you have to find the profit percentage, then you can solve the problem. Okay, likewise how to find the loss? Okay, we'll do how to find the loss. Okay, for example, uh, when a product you sell, you got a loss of 20 rupees and the cost price of the product is 100 rupees, and you need to find the selling price. Okay, how much I sell the price? Okay, now mm, now first you need to find the loss percentage. Okay, loss percentage is equals to loss by cost price into 100, right? We can find loss using this formula, right? Now loss percentage is equals to, loss is 20, cost price is 100, so into 100, 100 cancel, loss percentage is 20. Okay, we got loss percentage. Now selling price is equals to, what is the loss? 100 minus, for profit we use plus, for loss we use minus. Okay, minus loss percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Okay, selling price is equals to 100 minus loss percentage. How much loss percentage? 20 divided by 100 into, what is the cost? 100. Okay, now 100 cancel, 100 minus 20, so selling price is equals to 80. Okay, like this we can find the selling price. Okay, using this formula. Okay, until now what are we get to know? How to find the profit? Profit can be found by selling price minus cost price. Okay, how to find loss? Cost price minus selling price. Okay, next one what we have seen, profit percentage. How profit percentage will be find? Profit price by cost price into 100. How to find the loss percentage? Loss by cost price into 100. Okay, now what we do, another one is selling price. When profit is given, how to find the selling price? Okay, for that 100 less profit percentage. If they give it in profit percentage, then no need to find the profit percentage. If they give it in, if they didn't give percentage, they will give you the price, then you have to find the percentage, then you can use that. Okay, by 100 into cost price. Okay, for loss, how to find selling price? 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into cost percentage. Okay, like this. These are the formulas we have seen till now. Okay, now next one is next case or next scenario. Next scenario is, for example, they will give you profit percentage. Okay, they will give you selling price. Okay, they'll ask you the cost price. Okay, to find cost price. Okay, they'll ask you to find the cost price. Then what you can do? So cost price is equals to, just reverse the calculation, right? 100 by 100 plus profit percentage into selling price. Okay, when they give profit percentage. Okay, for example, I have got the profit of 20% and my selling price is 120 rupees. I need to find cost price. Okay, cost price is equals to, so 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage is 20 into my selling price is 120 rupees. So 120 cancel, so cost price is equals to 100. Okay, like this we can find the cost price. Okay, when they give profit percentage. So we will see when they give loss percentage. Okay, if they give, for example, they give loss percentage 20% and selling price is equals to 80, and they ask you to find the cost price. Okay, then cost price is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. Okay, what is that? 100 by 100 minus, what is the loss percentage? 20 into, what is the selling price? 80. Okay, 80 cancel, so cost price is equals to 100. Okay, like this we can find the cost price when they give loss. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay, like this we can find the loss percentage. Okay, next scenario, for example, you have a product, okay, which is of rupees 1000. Okay, we sold it to 800. Okay, then what is the discount to get? 200 rupees. So how we can find discount? Discount is equals to, this is market price, means actual cost of the product. So market price means actual cost of the price. Okay, market price. Okay, this is the selling price. Okay, minus selling price gives you discount amount. Okay, discount amount. Okay, then how to find the discount percentage? Okay, discount percentage is equal to discount divided by, okay, market price into 100. Okay, for example, what is the discount you got? 200. Okay, 200, what is the market price? 1000 rupees into 100. Okay, 2020 cancel. So discount is equals to 20%. Okay, 10 ones are 10 20 is there. Okay, discount is equals to 20%. Like this you can find the discount percentage. Okay, then next case is, for example, you have uh, you are selling a 1 kg of rice. Okay, while selling you sold only 800 grams, so there is a fault in your weightage. Okay, so actually you are selling 1 kg but the actual weight is 500, so here you get 200 grams profit. Then how we can find this profit? Okay, actually you want to sell one rice, means 1 kg rice, but you sold 800 grams due to fault weight and you got 200 grams profit. Then how we can find the profit? Then profit percentage is equals to true weight. Okay, what is true weight? Okay, 1 kg is the true weight minus fault weight. What is fault weight? What are the fault value weight? 800 divided by fault weight into 100. Okay, like this you can find the fault percentage. Okay, when you give fault percentage like fault weight and you get the profit, like this you can find the fault percentage. Okay, false profit percentage. Okay, total weight, for example total weight 1 kg means 1000 grams minus fault weight is 800 grams divided by 800 grams into 100. Okay, 1 za 8 za. Okay, 1200. Okay, 200 means divided by 8, 8 2 is a 16, 4 0, 8 5 is a 40. So 25% is the profit for fault weightage. Okay, like this you can find the profit for fault weightage. Okay, next case, for example, when you sold the product, you have selling two products. For first product you got m percentage of profit. Okay, and second product you got n percentage of profit. Okay, then what is the net profit? Okay, what is the net profit of both the products? Okay, for selling one product you got m percentage and for selling another product you got n percentage of profit. Then what is the net profit? Okay, net profit can be found using m percentage plus n percentage plus m into n divided by 100 will gives you net profit. Okay, then likewise, for example, when you sell the first product you get m percentage profit. Okay, when you selling the another product you got n percentage of loss. Okay, then how we can find the net profit or loss? Okay, net profit or loss, then net profit or loss can be found using m minus n minus mn divided by 100, which will give the net profit or loss. Okay, when one product is getting profit and another product is getting loss, then you can find net profit using this formula. Okay, these are all the profit loss tricks and formulas. Okay, in my next tutorial I will explain another speed and distance and many mathematical tricks I will explain. Okay, and I will share you all the details. Okay, for more information and more videos please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you guys.